Hello guys, in this video I will teach you guys remove a background of a person easily and effectively. Just follow my steps and make sure you all subscribe to my channel. Alright, to make the background remove you must choose the lasso tool and follow my steps. And now make sure you all select the layer before you draw. Slow and steady like this, no need to go quick, take your time. Make sure to connect the ending line and beginning of the line. And after you done, click the option called Select and Mask. As you guys can see, the chosen person selected, and now click the Select Subject option. Click OK. Once clicked OK, click OK again in the bottom of the screen. And guys, that's it. As you guys can see, the background is removed effectively, and this is a very fast way to remove background, guys. And make sure you guys subscribe, like and comment to this video and tell what you all thoughts about the video, and I will see you guys in the next video.